Welcome to Masteriyo Tutorials. In this video, we will learn about how to use Masteriyo Pro add-on Certificate Builder. First, to use this feature, you need the starter, growth or scale plan of the plugin. Then, from the Masteriyo dashboard, go to Add-ons. Here, you can find Certificate Builder add-on. Turn on this feature and now you can find the certificates option on your left. Here, you can create a new certificate for your course. Click on Add New button right here and you can select to create a blank slate to create a certificate from the scratch, or you can select our pre-built template and modify it to fit your needs. You can change the name, background, logo or text. You can also leave it as it is, it will work just fine. Or if you want to create a custom certificate, please follow the video from the I button or in our description below. Once you have sorted your certificate, don't forget to update. Now, to integrate the certificate into your course, go to Courses. Choose the course in which you want the certificate, go to Settings, Certificate. Enable this option, then choose the certificate you just created. Don't forget to update. Now, after your student completes the course, there will be an option to download the certificate. Download certificate. As you can see, the student's name, course name and the date of completion are taken care of by the plugin. If you want to create custom certificates, there is a video in our description below. Thank you for watching.